Hey guys, before we get into this video, I want to explicitly state this very important fact. Results will vary. This rings true for all types of things in lawn care, so always keep that in mind when you are watching result videos from anyone. My grass type is fescue. My pH in the back is 6.2. The application area gets a good amount of shade, and I have 2 female dogs. All of these things likely factor into my results. Okay, with that information in mind, let's get into the video. It's about to be on. This backyard's about to get it. I gotta say, I love products with a hose-in connection. I was very careful to follow the instructions to the letter. Okay guys, this is the area that I'm going to go ahead and apply the K9 Corrector on. Obviously this is where my dogs decide they want to go. This is before I cut it. I'm about to give it a cut now. Okay, now that I've mowed, you can see the area is a little bit better. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get some of that up and then spray. Okay, so I got out as much of the dead grass as I could. You'll see right there. There's some areas that look like they're new. So maybe the K9 will help repair those. You can see the brown solution coming out here. It's a close-up on the spot that I did dig out completely in relation to the bigger spot there. You can see that. Hopefully that repairs a little bit. Several little spots already in the yard. There's some there too, over there. What I decided to do was to go around and put some soil mixture in the spots that were already there before I did the K9 application. So hopefully that will make it easier for me to see if any new spots come up. And what I'm thinking is that I should be able to give you some results in about 3 days because the dogs come out here all the time and hopefully I won't see any new spots. Okay, today is the 24th, so it's been 2 days. And I am looking around to see if there are any new spots. There's one little one there I see. The rest of these were already here. Remember, I put the soil and the straw there to mark what had already been there. So far, I've only seen the one extra spot, which is, again, is right in here. Okay, guys, this is day 5, and I think I'm going to cap it here because I don't see any new spots. I only saw that one spot from day 2, and I have not seen any new spots out here. And I know on the camera, it's really hard to see, but I've walked this area, which is where the dogs go, and I do not see anything new. I'm gonna say that for now, this product is working for me. In about a week, I'm going to reapply, and then after that, I'm gonna apply every 4 weeks as instructed. If anything changes, I will do a short to update you all, but for now, I think I have the evidence that I need at least.